Okay, naimbag nga malam iti amin nga dumdum dito ay Radya Sagada. Itang nga malam kasi tinay bagbagay tatay agsapa kani di last week at makadwa tayo ti duwang ladies saya ni Daphne kani Juliet. So dakat lawyers manipod iti Batnag, Galinato, Kilungan, and Likigan Law Office. Mabirukan dito ay anong building na yun? Second floor ng
Inso Building.
Ayun, Inso Building dito'y poblasyon Sagada, dito'y Ato. Second floor, So, kung kailangan nyo ang services ng abogado, nagruti ladies tayo dito. Di ba, dada nga? Upat. So, itatanga malam, inayaban tayo isuda nga istorya dito'y Radyo Sagada. Kasi, hangmalmalpas ti cases tayo, Ang dami nating cases ng mga kabataan nga sangsangkot iti agdudumang nga krimen adda di major adda ti haan, Isu nga mayat nga adda ni Daphne kani Juliet nga makadwa tayo tatanga malam, then hopefully iti sumarsarunumat lang nga lawas no handa unay nga busy iti syempre dagiti cases da. So you can greet our listeners.
Hello, good afternoon.
Bibig saan nyo?
Good afternoon.
Sige again.
Good afternoon.
Ayon. Sino dyan na good afternoon ni Juliet? Ni chika ngay Daphne.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yan. So, dagita ti resource persons tayo tatanga aldaw. Narod, parugyan tayo dayto yung programa, babalin iti panagsaludsud kanya, dakan kung nakarod mabalin nga isend yun dito yung Radyo Sagada, dagijay legal questions, tapos mabalin tayo nga awisan man ng isuda nga umay nga legal clinic on air. Ngam syempre dagi jud dumakit mapangkayon yung opisina da pangkayo yung opisina da nga makitungtong kanyada. Okay, so ayan dopo dito umad-adu nga cases tayo iti children involved with some petty crimes kan nakarita tayo ada dagi jay major daya itong last week lang DJ shooting anya DJ Tacloban. Adu DJ mang ibaga nga di bali ta dagiti minors ket andamot lang nga maikulong. Ikanta yung man ti bagas dayta nga statement nya our lawyer guest this afternoon. Anya ba talaga ti ubing i-share yu kada kami no anya dagijay anya itilinted ti maiyarig nga minor ken anya ba dagiti ang tawag dito, legal consequences no adaman. Yan. So, ano yung age of criminal responsibility?
So we have here the law that under the Juvenile Justice Welfare Act of 2006, which was amended by RA 106,390, where it discusses herein the who are responsible. So under this law, it a child is defined as a person who is under the age of 18 years old. So it also specified here in the law that the minimum age of criminal responsibility is 15 years old and 15 years old and below, and 15 to 18 years old if acted without discernment. So you are a child who is 15 years old and below is criminally exempted for criminal offense. So, pati rin ang 18 years old and below who acted without discernment is exempted from criminal responsibility. But this does not mean, although they don't have criminal liability, it doesn't mean that they are neglected or released because they are they they have also after their release, they will be subjected to child sensitive processes such as the rehabilitation, intervention,
Mhm.
diversion, like that.
Ayun. So, no, when we say na they are not legally responsible, kahit nasawan, haandang mabalin nga maidarum, ganun ba? Kung meron silang mga crime na nagawa if they are below 18 years old.
It doesn't mean naman na they are not mabalin na may the room, but they are subjected to intervention. Different kind of interventions before they can be subjected to other actions kasi pag kasi 15 years old and below, marirelease talaga sila, madi-discharge sila. But it doesn't mean na pag nare-release sila, they will not be intervened. There are social works, tama ba?
Oo, yung
MSWD, like
MSWD,
that, ang mga nag-ano sa kanila.
May intervention programs as per assessment of the local social welfare development offices. May intervention programs for those 15 years old and below who committed these crimes. Siyempre, hindi sila criminally responsible, pero they have accountability, so they have to face they have to face the consequences of their actions. Na kahit na they committed a crime, that doesn't mean na 15 years old sila, they will be released. They still have to undergo a process wherein the DSWD or LSWDO of the local government or yung nasa or the law enforcement officer that has their custody will still assess yung kung if they would be admitted for interventions and diversions. Independent din naman yung interventions or diversion programs nila if they would be admitted sa youth facilities or given sa community for their own para sa the community ang mang intervene for the programs for the kids. So they still have a responsibility and accountabilities.
Amin ba nga uubing nga dati naaramid da? Kasi kanayon ko mangnudlag police no may dagto program dito yung kanilang children in conflict with the law. Lahat ba yon from DJ petty theft, iti mga grave cases kat parehas ti treatment. Kasi pagrigan DJ may isang agtutubong 15 years old nag-commit ng rape. Ganito rin ba yung treatment? Exempted din sila sa criminal ay sa
criminal responsibility,
sa
liability.
Criminal liability.
No po. Ay, ma'am, kasi there the law we have here the children acting with discernment and children acting without discernment.
Mhm.
So, if a child under Republic Act 9344, only a child above 15 years but below 18 years of age who acted with discernment shall not be exempted from criminal responsibility. On
Sige.
the other hand, if the child has acted with discernment, he or she will be liable. Pero i-assess pa rin po yun. It doesn't mean na ma-jail agad sila. Or it will, kasi may intervention pa rin po sila.
Ng DSWD
Yes,
or
ma'am.
MSWD. Anya tikat na sa wanted discernment. Ito ba yung maawatan da? DJ akdakit wrong or
Yes, ma'am. Well,
Ayun.
discernment is a child who knows what is right and wrong, and he knows that what he is doing is actually right or wrong. He can perceive it.
kasanong establish ti legal system nga DJ may nga ubing ket aware iso na DJ wrong aware iso na nga mistake DJ inaramid na kasano nga aramidon ti korte data or aramidon ti
Actually,
judiciary.
proving a child who acted with the discernment is a case-to-case basis. It is a case. They will actually they in the case of people versus Dorado and other, they have actually cited the following circumstances where they can i-base the quality discernment. These are the following. First is that the very appearance, the attitude, comportment, behavior, minor, the gruesome nature of the crime, the minor's cunning and shrewdness, the utterances of the minor, his overt acts before, during, and after the commission of the crime, the nature of the weapon used, his attempt to silence a witness, and his disposal of evidence or his hiding of the corpus delicti.
Iso nga no, kas pagarigan, iti kung ni Attorney Juliet ditoy. Dagitoy apo DJ pagrupdan no ti legal system no DJ menor de edad ket amuna nga mistake jay naramid na pailaang. So madami siyang mention kanina di aptitude DJ ubing so nga possibly the interviews ditaya no indulin na DJ weapon nga inusar na di raminta nga inusar na nga ng dangran iti may isang tao kundi jay kapasidad na nga langsut agaramid ti istorya amin day taket adalan ti korte. Okay, so ano kunayo garud nga haanda nga legally liable. Anong gagawin natin sa mga itong children in conflict with the law or yun nga, these children who commit different kinds of crimes?
Di lang, syempre children, we're dealing with children. So, the JJWAC or the Juvenile Justice Welfare Act would provide na may mga yung intervention programs na it's different from the usual na punishments for adults. For example, lagi say 15 years old and below and 15 years old, or more than 15 years old but below 18 years old who acted without discernment. Syempre, there is still an assessment that's going to be underdone by the LSWDO if i-check down mo niya ti mabaling nga assessment ni para kanya rito nga ubing nga 14 years old who committed theft. The theft nga nagnakaw lang siya ng alcohol, right? Kat i-check dano, ito yung ubing nga 14 years old, kat i-assess me no, may mayat nga pang ijay ma-admit siya, ijay facility, like Bahay Pag-asa or yung mga NGO accredited facilities nga mang-intervene, nga rehabilitate ijay ubing, or may mayat nga i-return iso na ijay community, and the community would be parang community-based na intervention na it takes a village to raise a child, di ba? So nga, nadakat na ijay barangay officials, the family, the LGU, yung mga kasjay, isudaan timang intervene ijay ubing. Then if the 14-year-old child committed a gruesome crime, for example, rape, kasjay, syempre ag-assess the DSWD, i-check the assessment na maya ipapasok siya sa diversion programs. More likely, na siya nung makita na nga G-assessment na hindi siya pwedeng ibalik sa community, ipapasok na siya sa facilities, mga kasjay nga activities. Tapos, if the child is 15 years old to 18 years old and he acted with discernment, tapos makita nga amuna ti amin, he did with intent and everything, i-assess naman always nga ti assessment da with the ti proper nga diversion program. So may ilagay siya sa institution. For example, sa Bahay Pag-asa, usually Bahay Pag-asa, under the Bahay Pag-asa, i-check naman lang assess da no kasano iso na ti mindset na, the mental capacity na, social the well-being na, best interest of the child. And if after the program nga design, and then at the end of the intervention program, makita nga hindi successful yung intervention na, makita na nga he or she will still commit a crime, yun na yung they will continue with the case. And if the case will continue, pwedeng suspended yung sentence niya. And still during that may assessment lang iso na if after the suspended sentence that hindi pa talaga siya pwede na siyang i-commit for after, if he reaches the age of maturity, pwede na siya i-commit for jail.
Ayun. So, Attorney Daphne, kahit nasa kung kuno ni Attorney Daphne, adati cases nga haanda nga dagos nga maibalod, ano? So, dumalan talaga, kaya very crucial DJ role ti MSWD, ano, itong social workers natin. So, dati, mangiaramid iti assessment. Ang kung kunamat lang tatay na may instances nga masuspend DJ sentence, no, DJ nakaro yung crime, no? For instance, rape, o adati ti rape lang tapos napatay da DJ victim, ano, or kakasta nga klase nga crime, mabalin nga masuspend DJ sentence.
Yes.
Anya ti kayat na sa ONDI nga masuspend
Masuspend yung sentence until he reaches the age of 21. Maximum po yung 21. So, if unsuccessful yung diversion niya or yung intervention niya, kasi the court has 3 options. First, to discharge, they will release. And then second is that they will order the execution of sentence. And the third is that to extend the suspend the sentence for a certain period until the child reaches the maximum age of 21. So meaning, i-assess pa rin nila, masususpend yung, if for example, unsuccessful yung, yung sa rehabilitation niya, na talagang makita nila na, ay, hindi niya ginagawa yung mga activities, or, it is the social workers who will assess. Tapos dunay-up yung, kasi di ba unsuccessful, so yun yung tatlong choices ng court.
Ngam dumalan iti muna rehabilitation or
Yes,
community
po.
intervention, rehabilitation, ingana lang no makita nga haan nga agkurida gitoy santo dinmano nan iti legal age, let's say 21 years old, santo kapilitan ma-enforcean di jay penalty.
Pag wala pa
Ayun. Iso nga, ang sinasabi nyo dito, basta minor, 18 years old and below, nangaramid iti may nga krimen, ti attitude di taket to rehabilitate.
Yes,
Ano?
yes.
It's not punishment. Oo.
Restorative justice kasi yung, if we're dealing with the children, restorative justice yung parang aim ng Juvenile Justice Welfare Act. So, we are, no, tagizay ubing restorative justice, so nga, we are looking at them as people who would come back to society as renewed, parang hindi siya renewed people, pero they know how to deal with the rights and the wrongs. So hindi sila treated as mere criminals, pero at least they have the opportunity to turn back a new leaf.
Okay. Pero yun nga. So hopefully next week kat dagiti staff iti MSWD kat ma-invite tayo mat diti radyo para may share no anya dagitoy yung interventions nga binanggit da Attorney Juliet and Attorney Daphne. So talagang hindi sila nakukulong pag minors.
No kulong gamin ko na kat we mostly attribute it sa kulungan sa
Sa jail. Oo, oo.
Dagito yung bingamin kat they would be given parang mare-restrict din yung freedom nila to the point na they stay in the facility, tas yung they would not go out sa community. Pag lalabas sila, if ever, meron silang mga parang kasama, if I'm not mistaken. Siguro yun yung i-explain ng DSWD
Mhm.
na kung ano yung program, how strict the programs, the diversions and the interventions are. Pero yun lang, the mere difference lang for the kids is hindi sila nakukulong sa kulungan kasi separate sila sa adults. More like yung objective kasi sa kanila is child sensitive facilities yung paglalagyan sa kanila. So Bahay Pag-asa, rehab center for the children and the youth, parang ganun. So yun na yung magiging kulungan nila if ever. With activities na to make them turn a new leaf.
Ayun. Tapos, kung na-assess ulit, okay ang tingin ng social worker kat gawis,
They will discharge.
oo, ma-discharge da iti society.
Yes,
Yung
pero
ganyan.
ano yun lang. The community should also, parang tulungan din naman nila yung bata na huwag siyang tulungan maging bad
Kumarkaro.
person. Yeah,
Oo.
wag.
Yes.
Kaya importante yun, kung ni Attorney Daphne. At tignan nyo ito makausap natin mga lawyers ha, and they're saying na eto nga, support pa rin doon sa kabataan, kadagiti da children nga nakakommit iti wrongful offenses. Ano? Haan nga DJ judgmental, haan tayo nga parigaton isuda, haan nga ikan iti opportunity. Mga abogado na to ha. adi karkaron na makasangot tayong 20 anong tawag dito, itong ating mga social workers. Sa Balimat DJ, language da and techniques da. Okay, so ganon. At pagdating ng 21, nuhaan pa ilaan nga nag-reform, ta iso ti intent, dito rehabilitation, kat inkapilitan. At dati pa ng, anong tawag dito, they will undergo ito nga, no? Kung ano di consequences nga ibagati, korte. Ayan. So, di tayo apo nga mabalinda nga, maikulong. Pero maibilang ba, DJ, kas pagarigan agad ti sentence nga, for instance, 5 years nga imprisonment, kat maibilang ba yung period nga adada iti rehabilitation center? Wano, sa bali DJ, kasi hindi naman sa incarceration, han nga pa nakabalod, no, di kat rehabilitation. At isaludsud tayo tatay nga nabitin, no ba kas pagarigan haanda nga nagbaliw ket kapilitan nga isirbida DJ sentensya kas pagarigan 5 nga tawen nga panakakulong, maibilang ba DJ mano nga tawen wenno panawon nga nagyanda DJ rehabilitation center iti sentence da?
As provided in the law, yes, may credit in kada nga period of months, days, or iti na rehabilitan da, may credit iti next, no, for example, ugida na handa nga na naibaga nga handa nga nagbaliw, may credit years nga nagpanda. Mabalin mat lang after no na credit EJ, they can also apply for probation.
Ayun. Okay, so mabalin mo at apo isip ko tuloy makapadanag nga nagpaiso nagaduti factors, nagaduti influences iti mapaspasamak kadagiti agtutubo itataan na nakakatakot yung mga types of crimes nga madamdamag tayo matan nga maaramid daw. Ano kabailan da nga aramiden. Okay, so in case nga at dati, for example, caught in the act nga natiliw ti may nga pulis nga agtaktakaw dita, ikikatin na DJ pilit ti may nga motor for instance. So, minor ito. Ano yung protocol? Anya ti dapat nga aramiden dagiti kapulisan no adda ti kastoy nga insidente?
Usually, the first nga kwa dapat i-register the JUBing. It's adat intake form nga i-take da. Tapos, they have to inform the parents in the LSWDO. Tapos, i-check, ma-inform the parents na nandito yung adat yung JUBing, and then the LSWDO will assess the child for if mag-undergo siya ng intervention or if the child could be released for
sa society. So again, MSWD. So no kas pagarigan, hindi pa nila makontak yung parents. Kas pagarigan, rabi nga napasamak daytoy o di awan ti office ti MSWD. Handa makontak ti parents di Ubing. Okay lang ba nga ikabilisunay di kulungan di holding cell iti PNP o iti police?
No po, kasi yun nga, child sensitive dapat yung facilities na handle yung JUBing. So nga usually katito da is barangay or iso nga di that's the use of the BCPC, it's a barangay child protect barangay basta
Oo, Child Protection Council. Oo.
ito da ijay kwa if walang parents, it's a barangay or in a DSWD accredited facility. Tapno isudanti manghol pa lang ijay ubing before they do the assessment. Usually katno at the parents they release the child, they have to assess the child if they are going to if the DSWD will still have to assess the child if they are going to immediately release the child. And then after no na i-release the ubing, mag-intervention ulit. May intervention pa din siya. So that doesn't mean na na-release ka by the police or the DSWD. That doesn't mean na you're okay na. You won't have accountability of your actions.
You're still responsible.
Ayun. So adalat tati mangyari anya nga parang sango DJ ubing iti inaramid na nga madi. So kas pagarigan mabalin ba nga masettle dagitoy iti 'di ba merong lupon? O pwede ba ang mga ano ang cases na pwedeng masettle sa lupon?
Usually mo katwa dagizay petty crimes like theft, kasjay yung violation of ordinances.
Curfew dagita.
Yes, curfew.
Una nagboxing da. Yan yung mga ganyan. Intare da dya balon ti classmate da.
Ay,
Di ba? Pero yung mga gruesome na krimen, kasi pagaling dya, dati pinangulan daket na comatose, cases ti rape, haan nga mabalin, iti barangay.
Usually could refer the barangay data easy ko eh. Haan nga mabalin ni J barangay kasi may na siya, may very serious na yung crime na ginawa.
Kasi hindi rin bang barangay ang mag-assess ng discernment or discernment? Kasi it's the social worker who will assess if the child did act with discernment or without discernment. But still, it is with the discretion of the court. Hindi lang po yung DSWD or social mag-assess kung he actually acted with discernment or not.
Ayun. Malagip yun di ay. Very, very crucial talaga di role ti MSWD. Isuda ti agaramid ti assessment. Hindi si lupon taga pamakaya or something ti barangay anya. It is the or the PNP, but it is the MSWD. Okay. So meron bang liability ang parents? Tano kas pagarigan di may isang ubing nagtakaw ti 5 bags ti tinapay ije may isang store, may obligasyon ba yung parent sa ganito?
Yes po. Siyempre, ubing katawan ti obligasyon na damages civil liability. It would be jointly it's the joint liability of the parents. So nga 5 nga bread nga ninakaw na, iso di bayadan na gizay parents, and then the child will still undergo intervention.
Yes.
Tapos,
Ayun.
if the parents can also be held criminally liable. Kasi if you're a parent, tapos na neglect mo jay ubing or insurwam jay ubing ti you're going to steal that, magnakaw ka ng mga ganyan, you are still liable as a parent under RA 9262 or PD 603. Basta that's child neglect or you're exploiting the child. So nga child exploitation.
Ayun.
Yes, in
Sige.
addition to that pala, it doesn't mean that a child is exempted from criminal liability. It doesn't mean na he or she is also exempted from civil liability. Kasi meron pa rin ang civil liability. Yung criminal liability lang yung may exempt kami.
Ayun, so clear, very clear di siya, ya, criminal liability ti exempted. Iso nga, adi gadan kabalod, siya ng kanayon ay kang kanantawa, ya, adi ka ibalod na menor de edad, 18 and below, no, waday wrong is inikanda. Ngam, ada ti civil liability. Sige nga, ano yung civil liability na yan?
Yung parang
Damages.
damages, for example, nimpakpak ka or nimbugbog ka, you're liable for example, medical, yung mga ginastos nila for the civil liability, yung mga damages na ng bata.
Mhm. Tapos, take note, parents. At the criminal liability. Mutla ang no, kung nagaro dito duwa nga lawyers tayo tatay. At dati exploitation. Anya? At dati panaggundaway. Ijay kina innocent ti ubing. Isursurwan nyo di ubing nga garamid ti madi. Mabalin nga da kayo ti may darom for negligence. Anya ta? Kung nadagaro di tatay, ti intent, dagito'y lintag nga nagado nga ibagbaga dito'y duwa nga abogado tayo, is for the welfare daytoy child. Pagsayaatan daytoy ubing. So, data pa apo dagiti saludsod nga nakasagana para itanga malam nga kasil po ito'y dagarod minor offenders or children in conflict with the law. So, sakbay tayo nga agpakada. Dagiti duwa nga guest tayo. Daphne and Juliet, our lawyers from Batnag, Galinato, Kilungan, and Likigan Law Office. Dito'y second floor ti Inso Building, dito'y Poblacion Sagada. Kat adati kayat yung i-remind iti listeners tayo, kasil po iti tungtungan tayo itatanga malam.
DI, about iti kwa na pagtugtungan tayo tatay, i-remind me manan, it takes a village to raise a child. Iso nga, part of the solution is knowing the right problem. So, we usually attribute yung case is, yung cause ng child to create crime or to conduct any to violate the law. Hindi yun yung problem. We always attribute the cause as is na minimum age na lubing. Iso ang kanana, we're going to commit the crime because we're minors. No. Usually, we should do away with that thinking na most of the causes to violate the law is not because they know about the law. But there are other factors that drive them to, parang peer pressure, yung dysfunctionality in the family, social media, most especially yung social media, what they consume. Kasi yung mga dagita ubing kat blank canvas ang mga yan. So, what they feed on the social media, yun yung iniisip nila na, yung sinasabi ng vlogger na to is, I can still be immediately released because I'm 14 years old when I committed the crime. I'll be immediately released without any accountability. But no, it's not. You have accountability if you are a minor and then if you're going to commit the crime. So, yung dagito yung bingmat, you have to read. You read, but do it diligently at saka be critical in finding may medmat lang nga patintero kayo dito kaysa ag social media kayo, so it's better na social media is not tas yung mga games, yung mga violent games, do not follow what you're watching on the screens. You have to choose the better side of the screen. So yun lang, and your age is not an umbrella for you to commit a crime, and it's not a defense for you. So, you still have to undergo the process under the law. Hindi yung law, you cannot use the law as an umbrella for you to do crimes.
Okay, thank you, Daphne. Miss Juliet?
Kasabi na niya.
Ayun, ay, ang ganda nun, ha? You cannot use the law as
Yes.
an umbrella to protect you, ano? And then you can commit the crime. Mhm. So, thank you very much to our lawyers. Hopefully, kita dati panaka nalawagan tayo kasil po dito'y ano and ipakaawat tayo kadagiti anak tayo. And hopefully next week o no tatanga week makadwa tayo mo ti MSWDO personnel tapno ibingay dano anya dagitoy rehabilitation kanda dumapay nga interventions nga nabanggit da Daphne ken Juliet itatanga malem. So stay with us dito Radyo Sagada. Ngan nga ni kami matlang shutdown kasi manen kanayon tayo nga ipalpalagip nasapat tayo nga shutdown itataga po iti weather nga makadadaal ito equipment.